We've gone ahead and pulled this engine out. So this was going to be a later project that kind of now has become a now project, and we're in the middle of it. You see lots of pieces, parts. What we came to realize is we had a roller cam in here, and this has actually got some really good guts in it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this engine all the way down, find out what our compression ratio is, what our cam is. We're going to kind of figure out what we got here, make some upgrades, paint it, put it all back together, complete gasket set. We got the headers in the blast cabinet right now getting blasted, repainted, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing done, and it's going to be beautiful. And it's not going to take long to do this. This is going to happen pretty quick.
Tony goes out of town for a little while, and I told him I was going to fix some oil leaks on his car. Turned into pulling the engine out of his car, which turned into changing every gasket on the car. Oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket, timing chain cover, water pump gaskets, new water pump, new intake manifold, new carburetor, new plug wires, new spark plugs. You name it, it's got it. We surprised him when he got back. It was amazing.
Yeah. Set this 2 hours. Holy crap. That looks amazing.
Yeah, we got a few little things. We need to turn this into a 90. We put yours on and noticed that this was broken.
Oh,
Off the back of yours.
Okay.
Can't thread in.
Okay.
So I just figured I'd kind of teach you with some chrome.
So now I'm gonna have to get one.
Yeah.
That looks incredible.
We'll figure we'd make your morning.
You did, man. That's some good news, man. Dang, that looks good. This is gonna look tight.
Looks like we're having a barbecue here, but what we're doing is we're cooking some paint. What's the deal with the foil? No, we're not cooking baked potatoes or corn on the cob in the engine compartment. This is a trick that Brian taught me. It really is a great way to just be able to mask up wire looms, brakes. There's a lot of different things you can do to where you can quickly mask something and save time by crinkling up aluminum foil over things, as opposed to the expense and time of tape and paper. We're taking a really clean, low mileage car, but we're taking a couple of cues on, hey, what would I like it to look like? And this radiator is a perfect example. So we've got this thing masked up, and we're going to be doing a flat black on the radiator and a semi on the side tanks, and the top's going to be gloss glass. It's going to be beautiful. But this is just an example of some of the fun things that we're doing with this car, just to kind of personalize it and make it our own. Takes a little longer to do it, but it really creates that finished wow product of, it kind of has a feel of factory, but obviously they're having some fun with it. And that's literally what we're doing right here.
We got the engine back in Tony's car. It was a bit of a fight, but we got it. Right now we're trying to get the headers and the starter and some of the underside stuff in. And try not to scratch anything.
Get it done! Get to work!
This episode of Tony's Rides Getting Pimped. Check it out.
Well, we're gonna try to fire it up, see if it still runs. After putting all this beautiful parts on here. I did already check for fuel leaks. I've had to change a few things, so we've got some ugly kind of happening here, but no fuel leaks.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We're gonna do a little bit more tuning on it, and we'll get there.